All right, my friend, you did it. You made it to the end of week 1 of the Reels Bootcamp, and I hope you're feeling much more confident in understanding how to use these Instagram Reels tools so that we can start tomorrow making Reels every single day. And I want to just start here and here this week by talking about cross-sharing this content to other platforms. Something I'm pretty sure you've heard. If you haven't heard, is that when you save a reel, I'm going to show you this really quick. We can actually just go back to my photo albums here. You'll see whenever you share a reel from Instagram, it will have this watermark down here at the bottom. This watermark, if you want to share this reels, let's say on TikTok, will actually hurt your chances of getting more views on TikTok. The same is true, let's say if I go to my TikTok, which is, not everybody's on TikTok, and I hear you. But let's say if I go to my TikTok and I want to save this TikTok, I can save the video, but it will, however, one second, when I save that TikTok, it will have the TikTok watermark on it. And on Instagram, this can actually do some damage on getting more views, right? So sorry if anyone's offended with my shirtless thing, but that's the reality. It was part of the joke. So what you're going to do is there's a couple websites you can use, and these are the ones I use currently for Instagram. If I want to share this reels to my TikTok, all I have to do is go up here to the 3 dots, and I can copy the link here. Right, there's a lot of things you can do in here that people don't even know. Like this QR code, I could get a QR code for this reel, right? And I can actually direct people to go to that. I can save that QR code to my camera reel. I can remove it from my profile grid, which doesn't remove it from your reels, but it would remove it from your reels feed. It would remove it from your profile grid. So if you're somebody who's very aesthetic, right, you can also go in, you can remix. We're going to talk a lot about that during the next few weeks. I can also pin or unpin this from my profile. Right now, this one is pinned, and you can see that with the 3 pins. You can pin 3 at the top. So I have copied the link up here in the top. Copy the link. And I'm going to go actually to my Safari. And I'm going to go to a website called instafinsta.com. Instafinsta is now called indown.io. Didn't know that. Free website. And all I have to do is Instagram video downloader. I tap here and I paste the link to that reels. So I copied the link, I pasted it in here, and I go to search. This is where I think people can get a little confused, is once you've clicked search, it takes a minute for it to process. Maybe. I don't know why it's being like that. Let's see, I'll try again. Instafinsta.com. We'll try tapping on reels and see what happens if I tap paste, search. Okay, now it's processing. So again, this is totally free, so there might be glitches. Don't click on the ads, which is what they want you to do. What you'll see is you'll see the reels and then you'll see download. It's going to say, do you want to download this file? You'll say download. And right here, you'll see a little blue arrow with a circle. If I tap on that, it'll show up in my downloads folder, and you'll see it's still processing. But what will happen is once this is finished processing, I'll be able to tap on this and save it to my camera roll, and it will be the reels without the watermark. So I'll show you how I would go about doing this. So I would tap on this. You'll see there is no Insta watermark. I can tap on this little blue box down here and I can save the video. Then let's say I want to go to TikTok. And let's say I want to post that video. I can go in here to plus. I can upload this into there. Next, I can say, way to go, IG, and I could do a little hashtag IG expert. And then, yeah, and if I want to do anything else there, but now I've posted on TikTok, it literally took me 30 seconds, right? This is, if you're somebody who wants to be posting that, I can now go onto YouTube Shorts, right? And I can add a video to YouTube. I think I'm going to tap here. And I can go into, I think I do a studio, and I can, down here at the bottom, I can create a short. I can tap here. I can upload this.
You get
the watermark.
Nothing.
And now
you lose.
I have made
You get nothing.
3 posts out of 1 post.
Lose.
Right? Way to go. IG. Hashtag IG expert. Right? I'm not going to get too sensitive about this. This is not my primary platform. But if I want to be able to get content up on all of those things, that is a super easy way. Another website, if you, let's say you're making TikTok videos, like this is one of my most popular ones, I could, again, copy the link, and I go to a website called snaptik.app, snaptik.app. Same thing, I can paste the link to that TikTok, download. It's going to give me 2 servers to download from. Do not click on the ads because you will regret it. And then down here in my downloads, I now have this one from Snaptik, and I can save the video, and I can go into my Instagram as well, and I can paste it there. So you just want to make sure, if you are sharing content on a platform, that it appears native to that platform. Meaning, if it looks like it was created on TikTok, it probably won't perform as well as if it was created on Instagram, right? Now, I hope this helps you see all the possibilities, right? Here's a great example. This has 2 times. Ben, you're here. Teach Ben how to do this. Make sure you remove that watermark. It's going to help you a lot. All right. I hope this helps you, and I will see you at our happy hour, our Sunday happy hour. And I cannot wait to get started on making reels together this week. Bye.